A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. What your name? You want one new name? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I want. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 2, from verse 12 to verse 17. Write the letter here. Send go give the leader for the church. We're in a program and tell him say, the one we have the sword with the two side them well sharp. Say, if you tell him say. Me know where you no live. You no live where Satan have him thrown, but you no still believe in me. You no never turn away from the truth. Even in a time when they kill me servant, Antipas, in a town where Satan rule. But me still have something against you. You have some people in our church where follow what Balaam teach. Balaam did teach Balak how to trick the Israelite them to make them sin. Him trick them, make them name food where they burn pan altar give false God. And make them sleep with other people, husband and wife. And you have some people amongst you where follow what the Nicolaitan them teach. Them for turn away from them sin. Show say them sorry for the wrong what them do and beg God pardon. If you no do that, me go come to you soon and war against them with the sword will come out of my mouth. All who have ears for ear, better listen good where the Holy Spirit has said to the church them. Anybody will beat the devil and not give in to the sick them when you want them to do. Me go give them some of the food when they manna where somebody did hide. And me go give them one white stone too with one new name right pan it. Only somebody will get a stone there I go understand what right pan it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.